Hello there, fellow space enthusiasts. Welcome back to Let's Talk Space, the channel where we explore the wonders of the universe and dive into the mysteries of celestial bodies. Get ready to embark on a mind-blowing journey as we uncover 25 fascinating facts about the planet closest to the Sun, Mercury. Mercury, named after the swift Roman messenger of the gods, is a captivating world that has puzzled scientists and astronomers for centuries. So, let's blast off and explore this scorching hot planet. Fact number 1. Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun in our solar system, orbits at an average distance of about 36 million miles from our star. It completes a full orbit in just 88 Earth days. Now, that's fast. Fact number 2. Have you ever wondered why Mercury is so small? Well, it's the smallest planet in our solar system, even smaller than some moons. Its diameter is only about 3,032 miles, which is slightly larger than Earth's moon. Fact number 3. Now, here's an interesting tidbit. Mercury is the most heavily cratered planet in our solar system. These scars on its surface are the result of countless meteoroid impacts over billions of years. Talk about a cosmic punching bag. Fact number 4. Mercury's surface is a paradox. It's scorching hot during the day and freezing cold at night. With temperatures reaching a staggering 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, you wouldn't want to forget your sunscreen if you were there. Fact number 5. While we're talking about extreme temperatures, did you know that Mercury also has ice? Yes, despite being so close to the Sun, there are permanently shadowed craters near its poles where ice can exist. The contrast between blazing heat and icy cold is mind-boggling. Fact number 6. Prepare for a mind-blowing fact. Mercury has a wonky orbit. It doesn't have a perfect circular orbit like some of the other planets. Instead, it has an elliptical orbit, which means its distance from the Sun varies significantly. Can you imagine the cosmic roller coaster ride? Fact number 7. Now, here's a curious phenomenon called the Mercurian year. Due to its rapid orbit, a year on Mercury is only about 88 Earth days long. So, if you lived on Mercury, you'd have your birthday 4 times faster than on Earth. Talk about aging gracefully. Fact number 8. Mercury is the second densest planet in our solar system, just after Earth. Its high density suggests that it has a massive iron core, making up about 70% of its volume. That's like having a big metal heart beating at the center of the planet. Fact number 9. If you're into stargazing, you'd be thrilled to know that Mercury is visible to the naked eye from Earth. However, due to its proximity to the Sun, it's best observed during twilight when the sky is still relatively bright. Fact number 10. Okay, get ready for an interesting discovery. Scientists have found evidence of water ice on Mercury. The planet's poles have craters that are permanently shadowed, allowing the ice to exist. It's a paradoxical world indeed. Fact number 11. Speaking of ice, did you know that some craters on Mercury are named after famous artists? Imagine looking up and seeing the Beethoven crater or the Tolstoy crater. It's like a cosmic tribute to human creativity. Fact number 12. Let's talk about Mercury's atmosphere, or lack thereof. Unlike Earth, Mercury has an extremely thin atmosphere. In fact, it's practically non-existent. The planet's gravity is too weak to hold onto gases, so any atmosphere that might have formed has long since dissipated into space. It's like a vacuum up there. Fact number 13. Now, here's a fascinating fact about Mercury's rotation. It has a peculiar rotation pattern known as tidal locking. This means that Mercury takes about 59 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, but it takes 88 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. As a result, Mercury experiences 3 Sun days for every 2 Mercury days. Timekeeping would be quite a challenge on this planet. Fact number 14. Have you ever wondered why we have such limited knowledge about Mercury's surface? Well, that's because only 2 spacecraft have ever visited this planet, NASA's Mariner 10 in the 1970s and the more recent Messenger mission. They have provided us with valuable insights, but there's still so much more to explore. Fact number 15. Mercury is a planet of extremes, and its magnetic field is no exception. Despite its small size, it has a surprisingly strong magnetic field, about 100 times weaker than Earth's but still significant. This magnetic field is thought to be generated by the planet's iron core. Fact number 16. Get this, Mercury is a speed demon. It holds the record for being the fastest planet in our solar system, zooming around the Sun at an average speed of about 107,000 miles per hour. It's like the Usain Bolt of the planetary world. Fact number 17. Mercury has been a source of fascination for astronomers throughout history. In ancient times, people believed that Mercury was actually 2 separate objects, a morning star and an evening star, until it was recognized as a single planet. Talk about a celestial identity crisis. Fact number 18. You might be surprised to learn that despite its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet in our solar system. That title goes to Venus, thanks to its thick atmosphere trapping heat. Nevertheless, Mercury still experiences scorching temperatures that could melt lead. Fact number 19. Let's talk about Mercury's name for a moment. In Roman mythology, Mercury was the god of commerce, communication, and travel, fittingly associated with this swift and elusive planet. So, next time you see a speedy delivery service, you can think of Mercury. Fact number 20. Have you ever heard of the transit of Mercury? It's a rare astronomical event where Mercury passes directly between Earth and the Sun. During a transit, Mercury appears as a tiny black dot slowly moving across the Sun's disk. It's a spectacle worth witnessing. Fact number 21. Mercury has a rather unconventional geological feature known as lobate scarps. These are cliffs or scarps that formed as the planet's interior cooled and contracted over time. Some of these scarps can stretch for hundreds of miles, making them some of the largest cliff formations in the solar system. Fact number 22. Mercury has a close relationship with Earth's moon. Both bodies are heavily cratered and share similar geological characteristics. Scientists believe that the impact that formed the massive Calores Basin on Mercury might have been responsible for the creation of some of the lunar maria on the moon. Fact number 23. Did you know that despite its small size, Mercury has a significant gravitational pull? If you were standing on its surface, you would weigh about 38% of your weight on Earth. So, you'd feel a little lighter but still grounded. Fact number 24. Mercury might be a small planet, but it has its own versions of mountains and valleys. The planet's surface is adorned with rugged and mountainous terrains. In fact, Mercury boasts some of the highest cliffs and mountains in the solar system. The tallest peak, appropriately named Colores Montes, reaches heights of over 3 miles. Just imagine the breathtaking views from up there. Fact number 25. As we near the end of our journey through the intriguing facts about Mercury, let's explore its potential for future exploration. Scientists and space agencies have plans to return to this enigmatic planet. There are even discussions about establishing a future mission to Mercury. Equipped with advanced instruments and technologies that will unveil even more secrets about this mysterious world. And that concludes our exhilarating adventure through 25 captivating facts about the planet Mercury. From its blistering temperatures to its icy poles, from its magnetic field to its peculiar rotation, Mercury continues to astound us with its unique characteristics. Thanks for joining us on Let's Talk Space today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the wonders of Mercury, our swift and elusive neighbor. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting space exploration topic. Remember, the universe is filled with countless celestial wonders waiting to be discovered, and we'll be here to guide you through each captivating journey. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars, keep exploring, and keep dreaming big.